I just got approved. I finally got my DTV Visa, and I'm so happy for this. I thought it could be a lot more difficult, but I just got it so easy. That's why today, I will explain it to you, step by step, no fluff. Because I know there are a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of different ideas, and they don't really explain the process. They don't really explain what you have to upload on the website, how to now risk. Today, you found your right video. So let's do it. If you want to live in Thailand working remotely, the DTV Visa is the best method. And it just dropped, like the last year just dropped. I know there's still a lot of confusion about it, but I found the perfect method, the simplest one, online, and it will only take you like 1 week, maximum 2 weeks. I will explain it step by step. Let's get into it. This is the only official website you need to use. Don't click any other page. I will leave the link right here in the description. All you have to do, if you work remotely and you have money, is put together all the documents correctly, and then you're good. Check everything before sending them, because you can risk it. You can risk like they reject it and then don't even send you emails, nothing. You will simply lose those money. So first off, who can get the DTV Visa? If you're over 20 and you make money online, you can get it. Freelancing, remote job, content creation. The most important thing is that you can prove that you have 500,000 baht in your bank account, which is around $16,000. This visa lasts 5 years, so for 5 years it will be good. The only thing is that every 6 months you have to renew it. So you can either renew it from inside the country, paying a bit of money, or you can do the border run. Now, how do I apply? I recommend it online because it's much faster. So just upload your docs, pay the fee, around $350, and then wait for your approval, which usually is around 2 weeks. For me that I'm from Italy, it took only 4 days. Sounds easy, right? The only thing is that you gotta pay attention at what you're sending. You also have to put many documents in one PDF because you don't have much space to upload documents. So just be careful. So what is required? You need to be able to prove that you have at least 500,000 baht in your bank account. So you need the actual bank statement for that. Also send proof of invoices or any contract you have as a freelancer. So I strongly recommend to send everything you have to reinforce your application. So required documents are the passport, a photo of you taken in the last 6 months. It has to look like a passport photo. Okay, just white background. I just did it right here. I have a white background here, so I just did it here by myself with some lighting, and it was good. I think like even if it doesn't look professional, you'll be good anyways. Then you will need a document indicating your current location, which can be also like just an ID or something like that. Your financial evidence, as I already told you. And finally, employment contract or just a portfolio if you're a freelancer. Okay, once you're in, just apply for a new visa. Select territory. I'm from Italy. Current location, Italy, or wherever you are right now. The important thing is that you don't do it from Thailand, so you have to be outside the country. I recommend passport. Visa type is DTV. Purpose of visit, in my case, workation, digital nomad, remote worker, foreign talent, freelancer. So here, you put a picture we were talking about before. Here, you just put a passport photo. You can even literally do it with your phone. Here's my picture. I know I'm ugly as fuck in here, but don't mind it. Then, Mr., your name, blah, blah, blah. Family name, blah, blah, blah. Okay, just proceed with everything like this. Then in here, passport, date, put everything here. Now here, even if you don't know exactly, just put where you're supposed to arrive, when are you supposed to arrive. You only need to send them a ticket if they ask you. So you just put randomly around the date you will arrive there, okay? Look on eDreams or any platform for flights. You don't have to book a flight. Just insert the real number of the flight. Hotel, you can even put a random hotel. They will not ask you. They will not check for it. Just put 1 day in here and you'll be good. City address, put the real address. Your real name, okay? Then proceed. Okay, the most important thing. This is what determines if your visa will be approved or not. And you have to be really careful. It's really like simple, but you have to be careful and make sure to check everything before you send them. Once you send them, you cannot change anything. So we already got the passport and the photograph. I'll show you exactly how I did it. This is financial evidence document prepared with a little cover letter at the beginning, so explaining exactly what I'm doing what I'm putting in here. So financial evidence, this is the bank statement. Okay, I will blur this one, but you will see it gotta be similar to this one. And then if it's not in English or Thai, you have to translate it. So I actually had to translate it by myself manually. That thing was so hard and so long. It took like 4 hours to do that. In Italy, banks don't really do that translation. So it's either you do it by yourself and it gotta look real, or just pay for a translator, but it gotta be an official translator or like an AI, something that does it properly. So you put your bank statement here, and then let's go down. This is another statement for Revolut, and this is actually where my clients are paying me. So you don't have to do this. You just have to prove that you are working, you have regular salary or clients that are paying you, and you'll be good. I just sent also the invoices, you see. For the financial evidence, that's it. You just gotta put all your documents, make it look professional, and you'll be good. They will not ask any more questions. Then they're asking employment contract or employment certificate in their country. So they're basically saying you can also put a portfolio, but my actual portfolio, professional portfolio, it was online, so I could have put it there. And it's all videos because I'm a video maker, so you actually can't see anything in a PDF. Here are the documents that I completed all together. And this is the other one. Employment freelancer proof, my name, okay? I'm just saying, like, basically, at the beginning, I'm just saying what I'm including in there, okay? This is my contract with an agency. Like, it's not actually a contract because I'm a freelancer, but I have an agreement with them, okay? So this is proof too, okay? Then let's go down. I also included my tax number so they will see that I work legally in Italy as a freelancer. And also included my professional portfolio as a link. I don't know if they will see it, but I included it as a plus. Then I recommend you to do a little cover letter explaining what are you doing and be really professional with it. I don't know, you can even ask ChatGPT to do it for you. And this is what I write. You can see it here, you can screenshot it. They will know everything and they will not ask you any more questions. Just include everything you can. All these things that I included are even a lot more than what you need, but the more you include, the more you will be sure that you will get it. Just don't risk it. Put all these things or whatever you want to include, all the invoices, current location. You can just put like your ID card, some document that is saying that you are living there, your residency is there. Okay, I live in Italy, so I just put my ID card there and it was good. So done. And then you will go on a page where you have to pay, okay? So that's really it. You see, it's really simple. You just pay from there, you just wait a couple of days. If something is missing or that needs something more to be sure, they will send you an email. So after 3 days, they send me an email. This is the actual email where they specifically ask me to send them the ticket. So I just sent them right away. And the next email is just approval. They approve my DTV Visa. I was good to go, okay? At the end of the page, you see the visa. It's not that complicated, really. You see that. So I hope this can help you because nobody is showing this on YouTube. This is the actual process on how you do it. If you have any questions, just send it to me down here. I hope this can help you really because I want to help people to do this. I know it's not clear online and the videos are not really explaining the process. So I'm here to help you. If this was helpful for you, just like and comment and subscribe. I don't even know how to do this shit, bro. I'm not a YouTuber. Subscribe because in the next months I will be in Thailand finally. You see that I still have the fur and shit and it's starting to get really cold here in Italy. I can't wait to travel. I will travel in 3 weeks. Maybe you will see my adventures in Thailand if you subscribe to me. Hopefully. Let's go, bro. See you.